Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your date of birth on your Snapchat account in 2026. Okay, let's go. Step 1, open Snapchat account. After Snapchat, click your profile. After click your profile, click setting option and scroll down. uh, Click birthday option. After click your birthday, you can change it your old birthday. I change it, for example, May 7 21. uh, Click continue option. I'm 25 years old. It's okay, very easy. This was a tutorial video. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Good luck.